Guys, you are once again welcome back. In this video we're going to quickly look at the KYC of the Verychat project. So this video is going to be very informative, and we are going to be treating the documents and everything that you need to know before proceeding with the KYC. So make sure that you're paying attention to this video. But before we go into that, if you are new, please kindly hit the subscription button, or if you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new video. So first of all, make sure that you are still mining. I don't know if the community is still busy with this project, but make sure that you are mining, and it's very important. And then come over to this particular section. This section is very important. So now once you come over, you see this your cookies right here. Make sure that you empty it. You see I have like 21 here. So how do you empty it? You click on open cookies, and by the time you are opening, you will be earning different things. I got 3 credits now, so just keep clicking on the open the cookies, and then you keep earning different things. So make sure that you exhaust all the lucky cookies that you have right here, so that you can earn more. And then the purpose of us doing this KYC now is so that we should be able to migrate this our tokens. This one right here, if you come to the mining interface right here, you see this one right here. So is to migrate this to our wallet right here. Now this KYC, remember, to those of you, some of you might be having your own like mine. You see this section is a section of node, where you use this node to mine tokens that come straight to your wallet right here. This option is not for everybody. There are some criteria for people, for you to get to this or to have this. And if you don't have this, you'll only be mining this. So, and then because if you are only mining this, it means that you won't have anything here. So for you to have any tokens migrated from here to here, you need to do that KYC. And once you have your tokens here, you can sell or send it out or do whatever thing you want to do with your tokens. So for you to do anything, your tokens have to be on your wallet. Now for those of us that have this node, you already applied for a KYC node. Now this second KYC that we are about to treat in this video is majorly for those who don't have any node at all. Now that does not mean that you are not going to, this video is not important. It is very important to you, even if you have the node, because I'm going to tell you how you are going to check if you are qualified and then migrate. Now let's head back on X right here. You are going to see this post made by the Verychat project, and this is what they said. Second KYC is coming soon. Now they made this post 6 days ago, and as at the time of the making of this video, the KYC is already running. Now they said get ready now. Second KYC and migration opens in a few days. Prepare now to pass on your first try and avoid rejection. So now, what are the things that you need to note in order to avoid rejection? These are the list of the things that you need. So we are going to come back to this link to check the full guide. You may either need an international passport or a national ID card or a driver's license. Details must be shown in English, no paper printouts. So which means that no photocopy. It must be on the plastic ID card. They say 2 photos. You holding your ID next to your face. That is the first one. You hold your ID card on your hand very close to your face. That is the first picture you need. Then a sharp close-up of the ID with all 4 corners in frame. So you need the first one, which is just the ID card, the front of your ID card, and then the second one is for you to hold the ID card, the front, closer to your face, and then snap. All the information on the ID card must be readable. Say tips: good lighting, no glare or shadows. Keep text readable, the ID level. No screenshots or low resolution images. Phone won't open your photos. Switch to most compatible, that is the JPEG, and retake. So now They say set your wallet, that is your very wallet, first. No wallet, no KYC. Oh my God. Now this is very important. You see this section, this wallet section, before you do anything, before you proceed with your KYC, make sure that you first come over to it and set your wallet. I've already set mine, so I just need to insert my pin and to lock it. So set it first before you proceed with your KYC. So once you have set that, look at what they said. They say the KYC banner rolls out gradually for stable operations, not all at once. So which means that the time you are going to get your KYC will be different from the time that B is going to get his own, different from the time C is going to get their own. So everybody is going to get their KYC at different times, depending on some certain advantages and disadvantages, or some certain activities that you might have engaged in the app. So eligibility and schedule in the official opening announcement. Thank you. Now let's head back to this guide. Now let's click on the guide. So the guide is going to load up, so you can see second KYC and migration guide. So please note, this note is very, very important. Migration runs in one batch before August 10th to your wallet, not right after approval, which means that as soon as you pass your KYC, you are not going to have your migration. So it is going to run one batch before August 10th. If you completed note, this part is very important and is for the note people. That's why I say it's very important for you to watch, even if you have done the note. If you completed note or the first KYC, now the first KYC started when they just started the mining like that, so they were doing it for some time before this pause and then start. Now what they are starting now is the second one. So if you have done the note or the first KYC, you still need a separate migration request. So which means you will still have to request for the migration separately. That is what you need to do. You are not doing the KYC process, but you need to request for the migration. So the KYC banner out gradually, not to everyone at once. The order makes no difference. The submission period is generous. No need to worry if yours hasn't appeared yet. So what are the eligibility for you to receive the very KYC? Say whole 500 very as of June 22nd. So the date has already passed. As at this date, if you didn't have up to don't let me hit this one because I know nearly everybody will have this. Say all accounts suspected of abuse are excluded. Minors are not eligible. Minors, that's below age 18. So which ID card can I use? Government issued ID. We have already discussed this. So not accepted. ID print out paper. So I've already treated that. So now this is what they meant by you holding your ID card and your face. So this is a sample of it. Clear, you see, clean. Information should be readable. So this is the second screenshot, which is just the front page of your ID card. Very clean, readable. So that's it. So you can see, avoid this example. So these are the things you need to avoid. If it is blurry, you see, have information, you see, blurry, you see, shooting against the light, you see. So all this will be rejected. So that is it. And I thought of briefing the community so that you can go ahead, know what you need to go with for the KYC. So please, if you have not started this project, you can still go ahead. Then it continues. I believe that this batch is going to once this batch passes, they are going to give. So it is still not late for you to join to start mining. The link will be in the comment section and also in the description section. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget, hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell. We are here tracking tokens together. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.